In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. Yet many people overlook simple tips that can significantly enhance their online safety. In this video, we dive into 7 easy cybersecurity tips nobody talks about, yet can help you to protect your personal information and secure your devices. Tip 1. Have a secret email address. Using a separate email address specifically for financial transactions can help you reduce the risk of unauthorized access to sensitive financial information. It adds an extra layer of security, especially if your primary email gets compromised. Having a dedicated financial email address can help reduce the amount of spam and phishing emails you receive in your primary inbox. You can more easily monitor and track financial transactions, alerts, and notifications without them getting lost in a sea of other emails. This can make it easier to identify legitimate financial communications and potential scams. Tip 2. Tap to pay instead of credit card. Tap to pay operates through near-field communication (NFC) technology. This short-range wireless communication technology allows data exchange between devices close to each other, typically within few centimeters. It's a secure and convenient payment method. When you tap your phone or a smartwatch for payment, you secure your actual card information. Tap payment system uses encryption and tokenization to protect your payment information. Additionally, there are limits on the amount you can spend with a tap transaction, adding an extra layer of security. Tip 3. Unique username. Your username is your identity online. A username alone won't get you or an unauthorized party into your accounts, but a poorly selected or reused username can leave you more exposed to phishing and other common social engineering hacks. Unlike passwords, usernames are generally stored in clear text by websites, which makes them more discoverable during a data breach. Cybercriminals often try to log into many different accounts using combinations of stolen passwords and usernames with a strategy known as a credential stuffing. This is where the value of strong and unique usernames for each account really comes into play. Tip 4. Lock your devices. Locking your device when not in use is a simple but crucial step to ensure the security and privacy of your personal data. By taking the time to choose a strong and unique password and enabling additional security features, you can protect your information from unauthorized access and potential threats. Whether it's your smartphone, laptop, or tablet, enabling a passcode, PIN, or biometric authentication can prevent unauthorized access in case your device is lost or stolen. Tip 5. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities. Public Wi-Fi networks are notoriously insecure, making it easy for cybercriminals to intercept your data. Whenever possible, avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities like online banking or shopping. Many Wi-Fi users choose to use public networks instead of their device's data plans for accessing the internet remotely. But the convenience of public Wi-Fi can be risky. If you are not careful, hackers may quickly access your connection and compromise sensitive information stored on your device and in online accounts. Adjust your smartphone settings so it does not automatically connect to nearby Wi-Fi networks. This gives you more control over where and when you connect. When transmitting sensitive information, using your cell phone data plan instead of public Wi-Fi may be more secure. Tip 6. Turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It's important to disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you are not using them because Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections can be vulnerable point of access for data or identity theft. Disabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi can significantly save battery life on devices like smartphones, laptops, and tablets, as this technology constantly searches for nearby devices to connect to, leading to increased power consumption. By turning off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when not in use, you can reduce the chances of unauthorized access and protect your device and data from potential cyber threats. It's especially crucial when you are in a public or unsecured Wi-Fi network, where the risk of hacking is high. Tip 7. Protect against phone theft. Set up biometric authentication method like fingerprint or facial recognition to secure your device. This adds an extra layer of security beyond traditional passcodes. Regularly back up your phone's data to a secure cloud service or an external device. This ensures that even if your phone is stolen, your important information is safe and accessible. Activate the Find My feature on your phone, whether it's Find My iPhone for Apple devices or Find My device for Android. This allows you to locate, lock, or erase your phone remotely in case it gets stolen. You can also make a note of your phone's International Mobile Equipment Identity number. In case of theft, report this number to your service provider to have the device blocked from the network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity content.